Today we're getting wild in the kitchen in a fall harvest sort of way, and I'm here with Chef Paul Lynch from Firelight Grill House and Cocktail Bar. And Chef, we are cooking some duck, is that correct?
That's right, today's a fall meal. So, duck. The first thing I like to do with duck is I like to prepare a nice brine.
Okay.
And the brine is very simple. It's sugar, it's salt, and pickling spice. Duck, I like to soak it overnight, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it out, okay? Once you have your duck, you want to start off by patting it dry.
Now, why is it so important to brine a bird?
It's about infusing moisture and flavor deep into the meat, and to also at the same time wash away any remnants of blood. Now we're gonna prepare this. I'm going to sprinkle it liberally with salt inside and out. Sort of open up that cavity, get it down inside. We're going to be serving this with maple glazed yam and apples. So today I have a nice dice of celery and onions and fresh apples, and we're going to shove that into the cavity there.
And what does that do? Does that help keep moisture on the inside?
It provides aromatics. It just makes the meat taste better. Now the next thing is we're going to truss it. So get some nice butcher twine, available a lot of places. The last step we're going to do here is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of Northwood's spice. This is a spice blend that we make at the restaurant. Bird is going to go in the oven at 325. So we can see, look at how gorgeous and crisp that skin is, crackling. We're going to pull that out, and just like a turkey at Thanksgiving, make sure you let your duck rest before you carve it.
Of course, we have to leave the best part on, which is the skin.
Absolutely. Here we're going to take a little portion of our maple glazed yam and apples. The nice thing about the maple glazed yam and apples is you also get a nice sauce that you're able to pour across your yam and apples. And then this is a red currant jam from the garden, and that is the finishing flourish.
Now, if this doesn't say fall harvest, I don't know what does. And you know what we always say? It's wildly delicious.